Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start to stream video without having any further delay. So basically, this video is going to be routine of 9th August 2025, and today is Saturday. So basically, in this video, I'm gonna share you like what is actually happened in my today's routine video. So let's start. Basically, today first of all, I woke up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I had taken the bath. Then after that, I wore clothes. And today is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, today is Raksha Bandhan. Basically, what is actually happening in Raksha Bandhan? It is a festival of siblings on which the oldest sibling, whose age is 90, 100, the smallest sibling, whose age is 10 means, 12 means, for them is Raksha Bandhan, right? That's why it is for all sibling, no matter what his age, right? So, basically in Raksha Bandhan, sister usually to their wrist of their brothers just made a knot of from a thread we call rakhi, right? It is very beautiful, and it can be a simple thread, it can be a decorated thread, right? So and both of them gift basically most of the, as per Indian Indian tradition, I can say that brothers gift to their sisters, right? So basically that's the thing what has actually happened. So basically that's all the things we have celebrated the festival, right? Then basically today basically my mother gave me 1000 rupees, that is 500 two notes, right? So I gave to my both sisters 500 rupees, and my one of the sister gave me earbuds, right? So this is the time to show you, right? I will show you after shooting the video, right? So my sister gave me a earbuds, ear dopes, right? So after that I ate food, then after that I studied, then after that I went outside to purchase milk, flour, and semolina. In Hindi, suji, right? Semolina, right? So then after that I came home, then after that I ate food, then after that I studied, then after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's reading video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So now I am gonna to share you. I'm gonna show you about my earbuds. As already on where on the house where I used to live. Already I showed you I have three earbuds. I think I had shown, but most of them is damaged now, right? So I'm gonna share you what which earbuds gave me my sister, right? So here is the earbuds. As you can see, let me focus it. Yes, it is a boat. I do, maybe you are going to look at there. Here is written boat. So here is a boat ear dops written. The brand name of it is that is uh, boat ear dops 141 elite ANC, right? So this is the earbuds. But now if I opening, then it seems like this, it looks like this, right? So yes. So firstly, let me. I want to open this AirDrop. So maybe my Bluetooth is on of my phone. So let me off this. So that if I open this, and it will automatically connect with my phone. Maybe video off after that. Maybe I don't know exactly about it. So yes. So basically here is the AirDrops. So I'm gonna open this. So this is the AirDrops. It looks like this. Let me show you. It looks like this, right? The uh, it is not focusing. I don't know why. Now it is focused. As you can see, both AirDrops, right? It looks like this. As you can see, now if I wear on my ear, it seems like this. As you can see, right? Simply now if I open the both, now the second AirDocs, it is actually, the fitting is actually good. If I share you, so now if I do like this will not fall down. You can see, right, this is not fall down. So the fittings is actually very good, and it has a mode of active noise cancellation. There are I think that four or five audio modes, sound modes. So I'm gonna share you what sound came after my clicking, right? At least I think that 3 seconds should be clicked. So first, now the after 3 seconds clicking, the ambient sound is on. Basically the environmental sound, like environmental sound has started, right? And I searched about this, and they told, and in the chat gpt I saw, to the chat gpt I searched regarding ambient sound. So from where I get to know that this will helps to focus, to get a better sleep, this sound. Now the second sound. Now the ANC mode is on. Now what is ANC mode? This is the second sound. ANC mode is what? Auto noise cancellation, or maybe I think that active noise cancellation. So whatever is around is happening, it will helps to more and more to cancel the noise, active noise cancellation. So this is the two sound. Let's see what the third sound. Now it is normal. Now no sound is happening. So the third sound is normal, which is original. What is actually happening, you will get to listen, right? Now fourth, I think it has three sounds only this side. Yes, now in here only three sounds is here. So let me make this normal. So now it is normal. Now I'm gonna to know that which sound in this earbud, left earbuds, right? So okay, so the on this the sound is came of signature sound, right? Basically the signature sound is open. So this is the fourth sound. What I can say, I think that mostly three sounds. The normal is originality, which is coming as near what is actually happening. Only three sounds is happening still yet. And the fourth, I think that beast mode, right? As far as I know. No, fourth is balanced mode. Fourth is balanced mode sound is coming from here, right? So which is balancing all the things, right? Now sixth, fifth, okay, signature sound, balanced mode. Okay, only I think that here is only two sounds is opening, signature and balanced mode. But as far as I know that the beast mode is also there. So maybe there would be in this ambient sound, ANC mode. So basically not here is having the beast mode. So basically maybe I think that when this is connected with to the mobile or any other devices, then beast mode is opening, right? Beast mode started working. So this is the all the five I think five sounds. One is the normal. So let me conclude it, six sound, right? So first is normal, which is happening. Second is ambient sound. Third is ANC mode, active noise cancellation or auto noise cancellation. Three sound is here, and three sound, maybe beast mode is also in this when it is connected to the another devices, right? So I can say that the beast mode, that is the three remaining is balanced sound and beast mode, and the another is what, signature sound, right? So three sounds here, three sounds here, six sound is happening here, right? So this is all what about these earbuds, right? So today I just done a small uh, you know kya, sorry, why I'm speaking in Hindi. I'm using kya in Hindi, I should speak in English, right? I just only in this today's video, not unboxing has already happened, but I only tell the specification of this device, of this particular earbuds device, right? So the name of this is Boat AirDops 141 Elite ALC. So this is about all this what my sister gifted me. So this is all guys what is actually happened. I think it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you again. Bye bye.